Okay, in order to do this, we're gonna start with the Word document, and I'm only using the part that actually has the math formatting in it, because that's the part that is the hardest to transfer really anywhere. If it wasn't for that, you could just type it out to begin with. Okay, and I'm going to use Jing. I have less and less confidence in the snipping tool. So we go up here, we click, we copy whatever that we want, or we outline it. I guess it's the correct terminology. We capture it, we copy it. Now, I have to do another step, and that I'm going to a Google document. This is Google Documents. This is Google Docs. I'm not going to save it, label it, or anything, but I'm going to come in here and I'm going to paste it. So that's my Control V. All right. Now, if I click right here, it highlights it, the whole thing, and I'm going to copy it. Control C. Then I'm going to the actual forum. I'm just going to reply to myself. And I hit Control V. It's there. I submit. And it's still there. This really should work for you. If this doesn't work, I'm not really sure of another option, but if it doesn't, I'll keep trying.